Today I'm going to show you how to create a graph using Google Sheets. The first thing you want to do is you want to set up your data table. You'll notice that I have trials, the top here, and then I have my distance run. Underneath each of those titles is the data. Now, trial 1, 2, 3, and average are all my dependent variables. And distance run is my independent variable. So in order to make a chart with this, I select all of the numbers, just the numbers, and also make sure that you do not have anything other than the numbers in these cells. For example, you do not want to have the units. And then I go up to Insert and go to Insert Chart. And on the right here, it will bring up the chart editor. You'll notice that I already have some title in here, but that's not correct. But you will see at the bottom, I have my distance run and the units in meters. On the right here, you'll see we have the different trials plus the average. But the title is incorrect. To fix the title, you can double click on it and we'll put my question in here. Once I have that in, I can go take a look over to the right. And you'll notice that there are two tabs here, Data, and we have Custom. You'll want to start with the Custom to make sure you have the title, text title. Then you can click on this arrow and you can change the other titles. So I already have the horizontal axis, but I do need the vertical axis. I can type in here. And you'll notice on the left side of my graph, it now shows up. You can also edit your horizontal title. And unfortunately, although you can double click on the title of the entire graph to edit it, you need to be in this editor in order to change anything on the horizontal axis. All right. So you can play around with any of these other features. For example, you can change the font, you can change the label format, but what I just showed you is the basic information for creating a bar graph. Data on this side, it gives you a chance to change around the different options. So for example, my data here automatically Google decided that the best format for it would be a bar graph. However, you can change around. So for example, I could try the line graph, but that doesn't really work for mine because the line graphs are best used for over time. So I'm going to go back and I will go and click back to my bar graph. You can also choose pie graph, and you'll find out which ones are the best for you. And you'll see that it says invalid type, so it can't use the distance run meters to create a pie chart. All right, so if there's any other questions, please talk to your teacher.